dear students, today we learn small letter formation. In previous video we already learned A to R formation. Now today we learn S to Z formation. Now how to write small s? Okay. Now firstly small s always write in middle two line. Small s always write in middle two line. Now C for cat, then turn. This is wrong, so I will write again. Now make C for cat, then turn in left side. This is small s. Now जैसे हम कैपिटल एस बनाते हैं वैसे ही हमको सेम स्मॉल एस बनाना है और स्मॉल एस मिडिल टू लाइन. This is small s. You write small s in this way. Now small s after small s after small t. How to write small t? Now firstly small t write in upwards 3 line. Now red line to blue line. Okay, now make a straight line, then turn and slipping line. Make a straight line, then turn and slipping line. Make a straight line, then turn and slipping line. Make a straight line, then turn and slipping line. Make a straight line, then turn and slipping line. This is small t. Small t after small u. Small u is very simple. Small u always write in middle through line. Small u write in middle two line. Now put your pencil on blue line. Down, turn and again down, then turn. This is small u. Put your pencil on blue line. Down. This is wrong, so I will write again. Put your pencil on blue line, then turn, again up, down, then turn. This is small u. Down, then turn. Put your pencil on blue line. Go down, come up, then down and turn. This is small u. You write small u in two line, middle two line. S, small t and small u. Then after V, W, X. V, W, X is very simple. Always write in middle two line and ऑलवेज राइट इन मिडिल टू लाइन. और जैसे हम कैपिटल लेटर में स्मॉल एक्स यू भी बनाते हैं वैसा सेम हमको कैपिटल में हम जैसे बनाते हैं वैसे ही हमको स्मॉल में बनाना है. वी फॉर वैन. नाउ दिस इज स्मॉल वी, दिस इज स्मॉल डब्ल्यू एंड दिस इज स्मॉल एक्स. ओके, नाउ हाउ टू राइट वी यू V. Small v, small w, then small x. Okay, now small x after small y. Now small x after small y. Small y always write in downwards 3 line, blue line to red line. And how to write small y? Now make U for umbrella, then turn and make U for umbrella, down and turn. U for umbrella, down, then turn. Make U for umbrella, down and turn. U for umbrella, down, turn. U for umbrella, down, turn. This is small y. Small y after small z. Small z is very simple. We write small z same as capital Z, but we write in two lines. Now, slipping line, landing line, then slipping line, slipping line, landing line, slipping line, slipping, landing, slipping, slipping, landing, slipping. Now, you remember? Okay, dear student, listen carefully. Listen carefully. Okay, now 7 letter is small b, small d, small f, small h, small l, and small k. Sorry, small k. These 6 letters always write in upside 3 line, red line to blue line. Then after small g, small g, small j, small g, small j, small p, small q, and small y. These 5 letters always write in downwards 3 line, blue line to red line. 6 letter upside 3 line and 5 letter downside 3 line. B, D, F, H, L, K. These are always write in upside 3 line. G, J, P, Q, Y always write in downside 3 line, and rest of letter write in middle 2 line. You practice this type in your home. Bye bye.